Welcome to our guide on making money online in 2025. Today, we're diving into the realm of AI tools that can transform your approach to email marketing. The rise of artificial intelligence has significantly shaped email marketing, offering new ways to engage and convert customers. Automated email marketing saves time, increases efficiency, and enhances personalization. Let's explore these benefits further. Here's an overview of some top AI tools for email automation that can help streamline your campaigns. Choosing the right AI tool involves understanding your business needs and evaluating features that can meet those demands. With the right AI tool, crafting effective email campaigns becomes simpler and more impactful. AI technology empowers businesses to personalize their messages and target their audience more effectively. Let's look at some case studies showcasing success stories from businesses that leverage AI tools. As we move forward, the synergy between email marketing and AI will continue to evolve, presenting exciting new opportunities.